Chris Masters, former WWE star, also known as The Masterpiece, rescued his mother from her home when a crazed neighbor barricaded himself inside the house and set it ablaze on Tuesday. Police and Masters had tried to negotiate with the man at first, but he threatened to burn down the house. It was a threat he carried out. This prompted Masters to pull out a ficus tree in the yard with his bare hands, then use it to break through the windows. Chris sustained cuts while helping his mother get through a broken window to safety. It's unclear whether Masters did anything to the crazed neighbor after, such as give him a diving shoulder block, the Polish hammer, or his signature master lock. But he did send out a post on Twitter saying that the man got his from me. Masters thanked fans for their concern and expressed disbelief at all the attention, tweeting, "Who wouldn't save their mom?"
Follow us on Tumblr.